how to access Elementor in WordPress. I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and you will be able to see your website that you have created here with Elementor. Now, if we want to access this in WordPress, we'll hover over the preview of our website and then we'll select Open WordPress Dashboard. This is automatically going to detect our website and is going to replace the WordPress editor with the Elementor editor here, and we'll be able to use it and it's going to be easier. Now that is one way of how we can do this. Another way of how we can actually use or access Elementor in WordPress is by going to WordPress directly here, and then we have to go to plugins. And here we have to search for Elementor. Now this is going to load up the Elementor website builder here, the plugin itself, and we'll need to install the plugin. So if we have a premium plan for WordPress, we'll be able to get the Elementor website builder subscription as well. But if you have directly subscribed to Elementor, you can just access the WordPress dashboard from within the Elementor website. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.